Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we will be drawing a beautiful sunflower. Grab your sketchbook and let's get started. First we begin by drawing a small circle in the center of our page. This will be the base of our sunflower's center. Next we will draw a larger center around the smaller one, leaving some space for the seeds and textures later on. Now let's sketch the petals. Sunflower petals are long and pointed. Start from the edge of the larger circle and draw petals radiating outward. Remember, they don't have to be perfect. Nature isn't. Once you have drawn the first layer of petals, add a second layer behind the first to give your sunflower a fuller look. This layer can be slightly larger and should peek out between the first layer of petals. For the sunflower stem, draw two parallel lines coming down from the bottom of the flower. Add a few leaves on either side by drawing elongated teardrop shapes with the central vein. Now let's add some texture to the center of the sunflower. Fill the small circle with tiny dots or short lines to create the appearance of seeds. If you want, you can add some shading to your petals and leaves to give them more depth. Lightly shade one side of each petal and leaf to create a shadow effect. And there you have it, a beautiful sunflower drawing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future drawing. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.